Central, Eastern, and Delta. Ganga Plain. The plain is drained by the Ganga and its tributaries. It forms a 1,050 km long east-western corridor between Himalayas in the north and Peninsular Plateau in the south. The plain is broad in the west and narrow towards the east. The Ganga Plain has been the hub of Indian culture. Ancient and sacred cities like Haridwar, Mathura, Prayag, Allahabad, Kashi, Varanasi, and Gaya has inspired the natured Hindu sages and philosophers. The Upper Ganga Plain is about 550 km long and 380 km wide, and it includes western Uttar Pradesh. The Middle Ganga is over 600 km and 300 km wide. It includes parts of eastern Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. The Lower Ganga Plain is in West Bengal. Physiography. The Ganga Belt is the world's most extensive plain of uninterrupted alluvium formed by the deposition of silt by numerous rivers. The major rivers in this region are the Ganga, Yamuna, Gomti, Ghaghara, and Kosi. The plains are flat, making it conducive for irrigation through canals. The area is also rich in groundwater reserves. The main crops grown here are rice and wheat. Other crops grown in the region include maize, sugarcane, and cotton. The low-lying food zone of the rivers in the Upper Ganga Plain is known as Khadar, which has new alluvial, while the uplands are called the Bangar, which have old alluvial. About 30 km wide, the Bhabar Belt that lies to the south of the Shivalik range has a dominance of boulder, gravels, and sand. The rivers descending from the Himalayan slopes disappear in this belt and reappears in the Tarai Belt that is located in the south of the Bhabar. The Tarai is a marshy land. The Middle Ganga Plain has a unique homogeneous physiography. This region is less elevated from the sea level. The fluvial landscapes is characterized by natural levees, meanders, and ox-bow lakes, etc., along the river valleys. The Lower Ganga Plain has a very low relief. Climate. The entire plain experiences typical monsoon climate characterized by seasons like summer, rainy, autumn, and winter. In the Upper Ganga Plain, temperature starts rising in the month of February and reach 48 degrees Celsius in May and June. The hot loo during summer season is unbearable. Atmospheric humidity dips to less than 40%. The southwest monsoons commences in June in the eastern part, that is Bengal region. The rainfall decreases towards the west. Most of the rainfall comes from the Bay of Bengal branch of the monsoon. After the monsoon rains, dry and cool breezes starts blowing. By December, winter sets in and the mean minimum temperature in January falls to 4 degrees Celsius. The Middle Ganga Plain is the transitional zone. The mean temperature of this region is 30 degrees Celsius to 34 degrees Celsius. Soils. Through the region, alluvial soil is found. In the Upper Ganga Plains, the Bhabar tract has sand and gravel, while the Tarai has sandy clay with humus and moisture. The newer alluvial soil of the Khadar are highly alkaline but lack in humus. The older alluvial soils of the Bangar are mature but lack salts, lime, and alkalinity. The Middle Ganga has immature alluvial soils. The poor drainage causes accumulation of sodium salts that renders the soil infertile. The soils generally lack nitrogen and need manure and fertilizers. The Lower Ganga Plain consists of laterite, red and alluvial type of soils. Laterite exists in the southwestern part and is acidic and deficient in human content. Alluvial soils are found extensively, are rich in humus and alkalinity. Natural vegetation. The Upper Ganga plain was earlier covered by forests. With the expansion of agriculture and human settlement, the area under forest continued to shrink. Bhabur and Tarai tracts have more area under forests and the plain. The Bhabur and Tarai have a dominance of sal and semal trees. The western drier area has Shisham, Babul, Khair, and Semal. The Middle Ganga plain has excessive felling of trees resulting in large-scale deforestation in the region. The uncultivable tracts have Bargad, Peepal, Imli, Mahua, Neem, Babul, etc. In the lower Ganga plain, three types of natural vegetation are found. Mangroves or Sundari are dominant in the delta region of West Bengal. Population and settlement. The Ganga plain is one of the most densely populated areas of the world. It occupies 9% of the total area of the country and accommodates 23% of the population of the country. The average density of the plain is 931 person per square kilometer, but it is 828 in Uttar Pradesh and 1102 in Bihar, as per the 2011 census. In the Upper Ganga plain, more than 1,000 person per square kilometer are observed in many districts. Compact settlements are found in the Bangar region of the plain that have good facilities of irrigation and transport. Lucknow, Kanpur, Ghaziabad, Agra, Allahabad, Meerut are main urban centers. Agra is a historical city. The Middle Ganga plain is a densely populated region, excepted the forest Tarai area. Nearly 93% of the population is rural. The Bihar plains have big and compact village. The forested Tarai tract has dispersed settlements of small villages. Patna is the largest city in the region. Varanasi, Gorakhpur, Gaya, Bhagalpur, Muzaffarpur, Mirzapur, Katihar are other notable towns.